is this ellipse, you look for the biggest number, which is 36. Is the ellipse going to be horizontal or vertical? It is going to be horizontal because it's under the x. Okay, wherever the a squared is, that's what it is. So the biggest number is a. So a is the square root of 36, which is 6. B is 5. C is square root of 11, I think. H is 0 because there's nothing added on to the x. You see why it's 0? And what's K? 1. +1. Very good. And so the center is HK, so it's 0, 1. And I'm going to go ahead and plot the center. 0, 1 is right there. Everybody get that? And what I like doing is plotting the A and the B because it's very easy to draw your ellipse that way. And A is, since this is horizontal, we're going to go 6 in this direction, 6 in this direction. We're going to go 5 up, and 5 down. This almost looks like a circle, but it is a little wider than it is. And so when you draw these, and don't quote me, like I'm going to show you how I can't draw them, and then I'm going to make you want to draw them better. But draw like a, there you go. So if we're finding the vertices, we have H is 0, -6, comma 1, which is -6, 1. And H plus A is 0 plus 6, so 6, 1. So let's see what happened here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 1, -6, 1, and +6, 1. See how that's where they are? So you can check yourself on those. What about the formula for foci? It's going to be H minus C comma K and H plus C comma K, right? So if we have H minus C, it's -3.3. 1, 2, 3.3, 1. So there's the first foci. Got it? And then you go 3.3, 1 is the second foci. So it's -3.31 and 3.31. So in this one, there's nothing under this. What do we put under there? A 1. So what would A be? B. And C would be square root of 24, which is 4 point something, 4 high.